So the next question is from Deb McKinnon regarding the rural property hack free mulch. And so the question has to do with wood mulch and whether we should be actually taking it or not. So Deb asks, don't they cut the tree from ditches that have been sprayed? What does that do to the wood and then to your garden? Deb, that's a great question. Definitely something to consider, but the amount of spray in those ditches is probably going to be pretty small. And in reality, I mean, we live in a chemical soup. I mean, whether you're in BC or Alberta, in BC they spray all the cut blocks, and so that spray is in the air. It's everywhere. And if we have to segregate all of our biomass because of spray, there'll be no biomass left. Ditches would be something I'd be less concerned about. Something that I am a little bit concerned about with regards to spray is if we're using straw from wheat that's been desiccated, that's going to probably have a higher concentration of spray on it. So you have to be concerned about that. But the reality is that they're not spraying up high in the tree, which is the part that we're getting. They're going to be spraying kind of further, closer to the ground. And so I'm not really too worried about that. In addition, Dakota Cohen was just telling me about a book that he just read on Audible called by Nicole Masters, who is a soil scientist from New Zealand. And I'm probably going to botch this up, but basically she talked a little bit about research where they took an organic farm that had been organic for 40 years and they compared it to a non-organic farm. And they sprayed the organic farm, I think with like a 2,4-D or something ridiculous like that, multiple times. And the farm kept rebounding, rebound. Even though it took a bit of a hit when it got sprayed, it continued to rebound. And so I'm sure if you keep hitting it, it'll end up going to where the conventional farm was, which was completely degraded. But the point is that there's this concept in biology called microbial infallibility. And they have yet to find a situation in the world where microbes have not been able to pioneer a toxic situation. I mean, they found microbes on radioactive fuel rods, basically chemosynthesizing. So the microbes will figure it out if we provide them with the right environment to decompose these toxic chemicals. And I think we have to, as a species, start to trust nature a little bit. And so no, I'm not really too worried about the spray in the ditches, is the short answer to your question. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.